At this point, it's clear that Floyd Shivambu has been fired from the MKP. I mean, he is even grumpy now. Look at what he had to say about MK's national spokesperson on his latest interview.
That report came with him and it was given to him by the people I refer to as scoundrels.
Do you know who they are, by the way? I'm just curious.
It's different people there. That includes an imbecile, a fool called Nhlanhla Ndlela, one of the foolish leaders of Umkhonto weSizwe who unfortunately represents the people there. He's always on drugs and always high on alcohol in terms of how he deals with issues. That is what we're dealing with every day. And he will even take pride that he is going to tell lies to President Zuma about him. And of course, he will use the otherwise very gullible and directionless daughter of President Zuma, who of course has got first front row access to President Zuma by virtue of being the daughter. So that is basically what we're dealing with. And of course, Nhlanhla was
a druggie on social media?
I didn't say that. I didn't say she's a druggie. I said there are people who take drugs, which is true, and insult me on social media at night, and which is a fact in terms of what I can say. Look, I don't want to deal with those issues. If anyone wants to challenge me about that, they can ask me privately as to who takes drugs and insult me, and I'll tell them.
MK has not said anything formal about Floyd's future in the party, but he has been removed from its WhatsApp groups. Even himself is no longer posting anything about MK. Instead, he's desperate for starting a new political party. He's going around seeking people's validation on establishing his own political party. This is sad, man. Even there by Twitter, or which is X now, which was known as, it's basically X now, but it was known as Twitter. He responded to Sizwe Dlomo's post where Sizwe was telling him to slow down and take a chill pill. What is happening really? Are we seeing the demise of Floyd's political career?